my channel. Today's vlog, I'm gonna be spending a full day at home alone. I'm gonna be doing lots of things, from scrubbing my face to plaiting my hair or washing it, painting my nails, cleaning, cooking, etc. So stick around and watch till the end because this video is gonna be interesting. First of all, I'm gonna take black tea with lots of ginger to clear my voice because it's cracky, I don't know why, and then maybe add some slices of bread to make me full because I'm so hungry, and then see what to do next. So let's go. So this is what I'm gonna have for breakfast. You can see the ginger in the tea is so much because I have a cracky voice. I want it to go away. And then 2 slices of bread. So I'm done having breakfast, done cleaning the house, and it's time for me to shower. But before showering, I have to scrub my bathroom clean using Star liquid soap. Thanks to Star liquid soap, I always have a clean bathroom when I'm going to shower, a clean toilet when I'm going to a clean house, always a clean compound. Get yourself one to have a smart home just like me. Alright, I'm gonna be scrubbing my face this time using lemon and sugar. This is the sugar I have. I still love my Radiant scrub, but today I wanted to try out something new. That's why I'm using lemon. So hope the results will be amazing because my skin is really ugly. But anyways, let's go ahead and give it a try. And this is how it looks like. So after bisecting it, you just have to put it on top of sugar, just like I'm doing. So this is what we have now. So the lemon juice and the sugar are going to mix up, and that is what we're going to use to rub on our skin. Hope the results will be amazing. But before you rub on the skin, make sure your skin is wet, moist. Alright guys, let's go ahead and scrub my face. Make sure you're soft on your skin because the sugar crystals may scratch you. So yes, it's like I'm done scrubbing. I just have to wait for like 5 minutes and I wash it off. So this is how I look like after 5 minutes. It's like I have honey on my face. Ta-da! So this is how my face looks like after washing off the lemon and sugar and then drying it. How does it look like? I guess it worked out for me, guys. You can try it out, but don't overuse lemon because lemon is too strong for your face. You can use it 2 times in a week. But yeah, the result is amazing. So let me go ahead and shower, guys. See you after this. Alright guys, this is my outfit for the day. I chose this pant because it's too comfortable even though it's too big. And then I chose the multicolored top because it matches perfectly with the pants. This is how my nails came out. If they're not cute, please don't comment. I painted them myself, and yeah, this is how I'm gonna spend that day home alone. Yes, hello guys, it's around 3 p.m. I'm done having lunch. I had gone to the salon to go plait my hair, but I bounced because the lady wasn't there. So maybe I'll check tomorrow. I'm gonna be watching some music. At around 4 p.m. I'll have to record my video, which will be up soon after this one, of course. So after recording, I'll have to go and do some work because I'm doing CPA currently. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm done watching and doing my work. So this is where I'm gonna record from. You can see it's all set. My phone is missing here because it's what I'm using to record right now. My ring light is ready, so I'm gonna record the next video for you guys. Hope you will like it too. And now my ring light is on, so let's record this. It's now 7 p.m. I have to start cooking because my young ones and big ones are coming home soon.
Sabi girl no dey too like talk. Animals dey in human form. Body man nobody like work, but you must hustle if you want job. You no finish they won't fight us. If them they run them no fit catch up. I know they form say I too righteous. No con they form say you too like us. You no get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like
watched this video till the end, you're the best. If you just joined us today and you subscribed, thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking this video if you have. Comment down below which one was your favorite part, and I'll see you guys next time.